Alright, we're back. Find a place to put that head. That pile is getting big over there. I'm running out of room. It's a mountain of crap. Look at how many heads and cylinders are laying right there right now. A pile. That's just on one side. You know, it goes all the way along the whole lathe. We got the other side over there. It's getting to be too many. I'm going to have to quit buying heads, or I'm going to have to move them somewhere else. I'm not going to stop buying them. That thing's blowing up way too much. There's no way we're not going to buy more parts. That's not going to happen. Okay, what do we got left here? Got an S&S Super B vacuum plate, air roll cleaner. That's a pretty fancy little fitting there. Look at that. That's a very, very different. Yeah, there's some money in that thing. Look at all the machine work on making that little sucker. That's different. I've never seen a hole put right there. Why would you put that in the damn stud hole? They put that there for some reason. A couple of little holes here for some other reason. I don't know why those are in there. Oh, that's where they drill all the way through on these. Why would you drill them all the way through? There's no reason to do that. And they're tapped also. Oh. This is where the fitting goes for where this should have been put over here. Vacuum fitting. Or that could be also where you would put your air cleaner support if you want to run it. Same hole. But anyway, that's an old one. Definitely old vacuum plate. It's good though. It's not broken. Good quality. It's so old they don't even have casting numbers on it. There's no casting numbers on that thing. See? Not a thing on it. This is probably from the 70s, early 80s, I bet. Definitely old. Okay, this is a transmission top cover. Cowpie, not ratchet. Very, very corroded. Yeah, that's you pay extra for when it's this bad. This just in your every old day stuff. This is nasty. Looks like the neutral switch might still work though. It's a plus. It's actually pretty pricey, these things. So it still has the stops in here, which is plus. I guess some of these that came in didn't have any of that stuff in there. This is where your indent spring and stuff went in here. But all the guts are, you know, everything else is missing. It's needed. These are all the same. I don't think there's any difference on these lids. I think they're all the same. So these are late 79s when the cowpie came out. They ran them all the way through 86. Last of the 4-speeds. So this one's pretty heavily corroded, but it's not broken or damaged any way I can think of. It all looks good. Looks like it was a good cover, just they stripped it apart and they just left it outside and let it sit out there and get all corroded. Pretty damn nasty. You get aluminum corrosion, you know it's been out there for a while. So it should clean up pretty good. So we got a broken one, you just swap out all the guts and there you go. That's how you work it. And there used to be a casting number somewhere on these things, I thought, but when they're this dirty it's hard to tell. I don't see anything like this. Oh, well, they just have the 79 number there, but no duh. They're all 79. But, alright, well there you go. That's what they look like. Go find something else to look at.